This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from Kamala Beach here in Phuket, Thailand. Starting out here at the Intercontinental Hotel. And yeah, I'm just showing you this one right next to the Pullman. I believe the Pullman is at the end of the beach. On the north side here. You can see the Pullman over there. But if you go on the other side, you have more beautiful beaches like Surin Beach. So I'm just going to walk here. Kamala Beach. That's 333 at the beach. That's a nice hotel. Doesn't have the same brand recognition as Intercontinental, but great location. Woo! Who knew? Never would have thought that was going to happen. What was that, like a rogue wave? That was crazy. Beautiful day here in Phuket along Kamala Beach. Some surfing. What is this just flailing in the water? Oh, they got a canal here. Looks like a big piece of wood. This little part of the beach here has some trash, probably because it's attached to that canal that I showed you. You'll also notice they don't have any hotels at this particular patch, but they have these food stalls. On our other channel, Island Hopper TV Hotels, I'm reviewing the Intercontinental in depth, as well as the Hyatt Regency over there. I did a couple Marriott hotels here on Phuket. Actually a few. The 4 Points, Merlin Beach, and Yanoi. Wow. The ocean is hungry today. And some Hilton. I also did the Courtyard Marriott in Phuket Town. So what do we got here? We got food stalls and massage. Beach massage. Good price. Back and foot for 400 baht for 1 hour. Pedicure, manicure. All that jazz. Here we have Virgin Beach, basically. Nothing. But palm trees. Someone's sitting on a hefty piece of land right there. undeveloped. Ah, we got the man of the hour, the trash picker-upper, the recycler. Good guy. Seriously? Let me tip this guy. 100 baht. Serious. Hello, cop. Good job, huh? 100 baht for you. Good job.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good job. 100 baht's not a lot of money. It's only like a few bucks, but that's what I have on me. Need more of those kind of guys. Because as you can see, the beach is beautiful. It's just there's so much pollution in our oceans. In particular out here in Southeast Asia, unfortunately, there's a lot of pollution. Plastic in particular. Some of it comes from here, some of it comes from other countries. Regardless of where it comes from, it's here and it needs to be picked up off the beach. Lifeguard tower. Absolutely beautiful day today. See, like this, I love when the ocean spits out things like this. I mean, that thing's got shells on it, barnacles. And look at that. How long do you think that thing's been in there? Long time. But it's not just human pollution. There's also plenty of trees washing ashore here. Driftwood. And coconuts. Whoa, look at that tree stump. Seems like Kamala Beach probably washes ashore some serious stuff. You never know what could wash ashore here. I've been on a beach in Patong. Huge fish, jelly, washed ashore. Big blue blob. We don't even know what it was. Obviously it was like jellyfish of some sort, but just right there. Oh man, look at all that trash. Makes you want to have a plastic bag on you and just pick it up. One day I'll be that guy who does more. As of right now, I don't have a trash bag, and I'm making this video. But maybe I can encourage some of you guys. Look at this lady. She's doing her part. See? The real MVPs. They're not out here with the camera filming themselves, they're just doing it. don't want to bother her while she's working. Yeah. I've done my fair share of trash pickups in my day. As many of you have also. But it never stops because the trash just keeps on coming. Oh, man. Waste management is a big thing. It's 9:30 in the morning, by the way. It looks like they have a little boardwalk right there. All right. Looks like we're coming up onto the main central part of the beach here. Let's go up onto the boardwalk area here real quick. Wonder how far this goes back towards IHG. But Lamsing Beach, Banana Beach, Surin Beach, check those ones out. I've been to Surin, and I know Banana Beach is nice. It's a little bit of a hike to get there, though. Beautiful weather today. All right, so you can see the beach actually ends down here, which will conclude the tour. I'll keep going for a little bit further, but like I said, this is the central area. Probably because the waves are the friendliest here. One-day trip, 1 hour trip with speedboat, James Bond Island, Coral Island, Raya Island. Alright guys, that's going to conclude this episode from Kamala Beach here in Phuket, Thailand. See you guys on the next one. If you guys love beaches, subscribe to this channel, Island Hopper TV Beaches.